Today, I'm going to give you some simple things to do on your next Zoom or Teams meeting to really improve your engagement with your audience. But first, here are things not to do. First off, don't be this person, the person that has the bottom part of their face on the last third of the screen. This is super distracting. And as an audience member of the meeting, I'm never going to be able to fully concentrate with you because I can only see half your face. Don't do this. And don't be this person, the person that's a really close talker. Remember that episode in Seinfeld? Maybe I dated myself a little bit, but yeah, this is way too close. Don't do this. How about this guy? This guy has his camera in front of him, but he has two monitors and he's looking at the monitor he's presenting to, and he's not engaging at all with the audience. Don't do this. Most of our communication is nonverbal. So the more I can see of you during the Zoom meeting, the more I'm going to probably be engaged and pay attention to what you're saying. Notice where I'm at right here. My eyes are about 1/3 level down on the screen. This is called the rule of thirds. Follow this. This is where your eyes should always be. Second, look, you can see pretty much my waist up. You can see all of my nonverbal movements, like my hand gestures and my shoulder shrugs and my eyebrow raises and my eyes blinking. I can now fully engage with this person because I can see most of their body. Sit a little bit farther back, sit a little straighter up, sit a little higher. I want everything to kind of be in the frame of the shot. And this distance really works well for me because now I can have my mic fully in front of me. I have my laptop right in front of me. Should I be presenting any sort of document or PDF on the screen, I literally have it on the screen in front of me. So at the worst, my eyes are going to look a little bit down and not directly at the camera, but pretty close where I can have engagement. Anytime I'm not presenting data, make sure you're not looking at the gallery of your audience. Look at the camera. When you want to see reactions, that's when you look at the gallery. You want to see presentation material, that's when you look at your gallery or your screen. Every other time, look at the center of your camera. It makes the other audience members feel like you're looking directly at them. That's exactly what you want. And none of these tips today cost any money. Don't take any technology. It's just paying attention during your Zoom meeting. So stick a Post-it note on the side of your screen until you remember to do this diligently. Set up, rule of thirds, full engagement, nonverbal communication. All these things will help you when you're talking to your audience during your next meeting. And no AI was used in the making of this video. Okay, maybe a little bit of AI. Here's a funny little clip with some stormtroopers. I'm Patrick Kelley, the Tattooed Nerd.
Why can't we just use Zoom?
Why can't we just use Zoom?